Oh, that's better. Now we got some off-road tyres fitted. We can get out for a little bit of a play. Oh, it's greasy today. I've not gone for the gnarliest off-road tyre I could find. A sort of 60-40 tyre on it, but that's about right. You wouldn't want to wreck what's good about this on the road. Oh, look at that horrible diagonal route waiting to catch you out. Got a decent amount of usable grunt in the engine. I've got it in off-road pro mode. Still got that little slight woolly feel to the throttle. Just there at low revs when you want a bit of bark and a bit of fire. It's like it's backed off a little bit. A bit of centre stand there. Always fun going a bit too fast on these things. Which massive puddle should we go for? Let's be Goldilocks and go down the middle. The riding position's pretty good. The bars feel much more natural when you're standing than they do when you're sat down. Wow, swamp. Good grippy pegs. A little bit between the legs, the frame sort of feels quite wide, pushing your ankles, and then there's not much else to clamp on. There's like a big gap. That's a little bit of an adventure bike trait, but a few of them have got that right, but yeah, not perfect on this one. That front brake that was insanely powerful on the road yesterday, impressively has got really good feel as well. It's not got a ridiculous amount of bite, and provided you're sensible and only use one finger on it, it's actually really good off-road. If you were going down a grassy slope and you went to the lever with all four fingers, you'd be on the floor very quickly, ABS or not, but that was pretty impressive. It's a fairly decent hop down there, and the suspension was so controlled. Nice. That was so much fun. I think I'm going to do it again. That's pretty bloody good, that. The suspension feels like it's doing a really good job of controlling the big hits, but also tracking over the small stuff. There are a few awkward little kicks off rocks, but in general it felt very stable there. This is but one trail, mind. But so far, not too bad from the old Triumph. I can't quite get my head around the suspension because on a massive hit the rear shock seems to cushion it and then recover really nicely. Oh, mind the horn. Yeah, on a massive hit the rear shock seems to cope incredibly well, and then on those smaller to medium hits it's quite sprightly, it pops back quite fast. It almost to the point where you can feel it top out. It's a bizarre, it works well. Like hopping off there, again a lot of bikes bottom out when you do that, and this absorbs it really nicely. They've been quite clever with the valving, I think, to get it to cope with a lot of different situations. It does give a slightly bizarre feel, but it works well. Best in class, I'm not sure I'd give it that. Brilliantly competent, definitely. Good little off-road bike. And amazing for its size.